Greetings, everyone. That was a bit of a clumsy start there. Cindy Drozda here. I'm a woodturner, and I'm coming to you live from my woodworking shop in Erie, Colorado. And I just finished a really fun, interactive, remote woodturning demonstration today where I made this piece here. I did this in 2 demo sessions. It's a Waterfall Lidded Burl Bowl. And this was a lot of fun. And now the work is over. The machinery is turned off for the day. I'm still wearing my safety glasses, but I want to point out to you so I don't get any grief that I am not going to be running any machinery from here on out today. So I would like to do for you a live unboxing. And here's the story. Over the holidays, a friend wanted to buy me a bottle of single malt Scotch. And he said, well, instead of having him ship it to me, just send me the cash and I could go shop for my own bottle. So here's what I got. And we're going to have an unboxing and see what it's all about. Now, I admit that I was quite taken in by the graphics on the container, on the box, and the name and all this. And here on the back especially, where it's got a little map of the distillery and a bunch of write-ups about all the stuff that happened throughout the history and everything. But here is what really got my attention. Most whiskeys are chill filtered to a strength of 40% alcohol by volume. Ardbeg 10 years old is non-chill filtered to a strength of 46%, thus retaining maximum flavor while giving more body and depth and more alcohol as well. On adding water, a little cloudiness may occur. This is perfectly natural and not a matter for concern. Adding water to single malt Scotch? Not me. Okay, so let's see what we have in this box and presumably bottle. Yeah, okay. Well, what's in the box appears to actually be a bottle. And yeah, the bottle has some protective stuff around it. So I may need to get out some wood turning tools to get into there. And let's see. I'll grab myself a skew chisel. Here's what we've got. Skew chisel, and that ought to make short work of getting this protective plastic stuff off the bottle. Now, I'm not going to be turning on any machinery, and I won't be using any more wood turning tools here. This is really not a wood turning demo. This is something completely different. Of course, the bottle's a little bit difficult to break into. There we are. Now, we have a cork in the top of the bottle, I presume, and take the cork out, and, yes, there's something in there that might be good. You can also see that our bottle has got some nice stuff to read about the distillery and everything, and really classy shape bottle, and nice graphics and all that. It's a beautiful shade of green. Okay, so for the important and fun stuff, we're going to do the pouring of a little bit of Scotch. And here I have a shot glass. This was made by David Nittman quite a while ago. I don't know what kind of wood, maybe cherry. But this is going to be the extent of the wood turning I do in this live unboxing. So shall we pour a wee splash of Scotch in here? Sounds good. I'm going to cap off this bottle just in case. I don't want to get too carried away. And now for the what we've all been waiting for. It looks great. It smells great. How does it taste? Yeah, it's good. So I'm going to finish my shot of Scotch here. slowly and savoring it. And I just want to thank you all for coming and hanging out with me for this little bit of fun, a live unboxing. And I hope it's 5 o'clock or after, wherever you are, and you might join me for a little bit of refreshment, shall we say. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.